Hi, I'm Jonathan Mitchell with the award-winning Richmond Ford, and behind me is the 2022 Ford Ranger. Now, without sounding biased, this is the best midsize truck that you can buy on the market today. And that's saying a lot because the Ranger in the current form, even though it's only been here for 4 model years, is a decade old at this point as a global model. Now, there is a new model on the horizon. It has been unveiled for the global market, but we don't expect to see that until late 2023 as a 2024 model. So the Ranger as is here to stay for a little bit, but that's a good thing because this thing is a great little truck. New for 2022 is the Splash Package. So they keep churning out new and interesting Rangers to keep customers coming back year after year. So what's the Splash Package all about? Let's find out. Now, as I mentioned, this is the new Splash Package. This is new for 2022, which gets you some really cool graphics here down the side. You see you have a matte black stripe with orange accents. This extends all the way around the back of the truck on both sides. You're also going to get these nice matte black wheels. They're 12 spoke, 18 inches. They're mated up to some Hankook 265/60 R18 tires, and those are all terrain. So you have plenty of capability on and off road. Also with this package, you're going to get some gloss black elements. You hear here on the side vent. If this was a Lariat, this would also be gloss black. You have that here on your wheel arches, your front bumper, and the grille. Also notice here the nostrils on the side. This is kind of like the trimmer grille, which features red nostrils, but you get orange accents here on the Splash Package. As we move around the back here, your side box decal, no matter if it's an FX4 package or a 4x4, whatever it may be, you're going to get these extra orange accents right here. As you can see, that extends around the tailgate like I just said, and you get gloss black there on the bumpers as well. The exterior is not the only part that gets the treatment with the Splash Package. You're going to get some additional orange accented stitching here on the seats. This is the XLT, so this is cloth seats, but that is also on the Lariat with those orange stitching. And you get a little bit of a design here on the sides and the center. XLT 301A, you're going to get this leather wrapped steering wheel and your shift boot there. And if you notice, you have the orange accent stitching on those as well. This is a 301A, so you're not going to get your powered seats there or heated seats, but the 301A does come with Sync 3, which you can see right there. That includes Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You're also going to get here in the back a 110 volt outlet additional to your USBs there. You can see the orange accents extend back here. Center armrest. Space back here is pretty good in the Ranger. You can compare that kind of to a smaller to mid-size SUV in space. Under here you have some additional storage pockets. As I mentioned, the Ranger is one of the best mid-size trucks that you can buy on the market today, and that's because it has a very powerful engine. This thing will get up and go. It has a 2.3 liter 4-cylinder turbocharged engine, which I know is not the V6 of the rivals, but however, with 270 horsepower and 300 foot-pounds of torque, this thing will really get up and go. And if you want to add even more performance, Ford Performance offers a tune that will ramp those numbers up to make this truck a very nice street beast that'll really get up and go. Now, you do have a 10-speed automatic transmission. It features 3 overdrive gears. You're never hunting for power in this. You're always right in the meaty curve of the power band. Towing capacity on all Rangers is also the same, 7,500 pounds. You get the available tow package here. Comes with a 4-pin connector. Your payload capacity back here is 1,905 pounds. So not only is this truck quick, it'll also work. Get some nice tie downs here. Unfortunately, you do not have power in the bed. That is coming on the next model that we know. So all in all, the Ranger is a really nice truck. As it's been out for 4 years, we have an extensive library of videos where we cover all of the details about the Ranger. Please feel free to browse our channel and watch those. We cover everything from the XL, XLT, Lariat, the different trim packages that you can get, the color options, the chrome, the sport, the blackout package, and of course the beast of them all, the trimmer off-road package. So please browse our channel and check out those videos to learn more about the Ranger. Now, there is no denying that there is a shortage on trucks right now. We're feeling that too, but please, we do have Rangers on our lot, so browse our inventory at the link in the description. And if you are interested in a Ranger of your own, you can reach out to us. If we don't have it on our lots, chances are we can probably find it for you. And if you want to place an order, the 2022 order bank has officially closed as of the posting of this video. However, contact us. We'll get you on the list when the order bank for 2023 models opens up, and we'll get you the truck of your dreams. And as always, when you buy with us, you're buying with additional confidence because we offer an exclusive 100,000-mile warranty, and you're going to get our 5-star customer service because we are driven by you. Please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and let us know if you have any questions or comments about the Ranger. We'd be happy to hear them. As always, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.